Welcome back to SolidCam Pro. In this exercise I am going to show you how to connect the beam with the column with the end plate and the bracing with the gusset, and how to place the rib on the right position using the SolidSteel Parametric for Inventor. So let's start to create our steel structural design. Select new, standard, create, select sketch, select rectangle, draw a line for the brace, draw another line, give a dimension 2000 millimeter, and this one 3000. One hundred, 360, 360. Now delete the center line, finish sketch, save, and now select SolidSteel Parametric, select the kind of beam, for now I am going to select this one, dimension 260, select this column and this column, and here we can change the rotation like this, 90, and here we can change the position, top like this one, bottom like this one, center, and even this direction, left and right. For now I am going to select center, select this sketch, change the rotation 0, and here we can change to the top, okay. And now select the brace. For now I am going to select L shape and select equal leg, dimension 100 by 100, thickness 10 millimeter, this one, change this rotation 270, and change the position like this one, select the next one, like this, this L shape, it's better back to back, like this one from the back side and this one from the back side, as you see here. Now we are going to connect this beam with this column. Select Endplate, select the beam, this one, and select the face. And now we are going to select the end plate. Just we have now one. If you want to change to double plate, end plate, just select this one, as you see here. And the thickness we can change from here, 15 millimeter. It's enough. And now we are going to insert the bolt. Select assembly, and from here we can select the standard. For now I'm going to select this one. Dimension M16. The length of the bolt 55 millimeter, and select add. Now we have one bolt, and we are going to add the washer, two washer and one nut. Just select this button like this one. Now we have two washer and one nut, and just select OK. Now you see we have this one. From here we can increase the number of the bolt. In this direction we have 3. In this direction we have 1, which is 2. We have this one. So let's give a dimension 35 millimeter, which means from the edge of this one to the center of the bolt 35, and the next 90 millimeter from the center of this bolt to the center of this bolt. The third one 90 millimeter, and we have from the center of this bolt to the center of this bolt 90 millimeter. Now we are going to change the dimension between these two bolts. Just give a dimension 80 like this. So now if you want to save this custom connection, just you can give a name and save it here. Just you click the save here. Select execute. Now select the end plate. We have this end plate connection here. Just we have save it here. Just select the beam now and select the end, this face, and select execute. The same here for the brace. Select the gusset, select this surface and this surface. Now we have 4 holes. Just before that, let's assign insert the bolt. Select the standard from here, select the dimension from here, M16, length 60 millimeter. It's okay. Select the washer and nuts. Okay. Now let's change the number of this bolt. Just we can give like this one in this direction, or we can change in this direction. Now the distance from this edge to the center, just we can increase from here. You see, distance to the beam edge, $50 millimeter. We have this L shape 100 by 100, so center of this one 50 millimeter. From here to here 50 millimeter. It's okay. And for this plate we can change the thickness from here. Just we can give 15 millimeter. We change the thickness, and This one we can change from here. You can see like this one, this shape, rectangular one. But for now I am going to select this one. It looks better. And let's increase the size of this plate. Just select, increase the number, not this one, sorry. You see, now we increase the distance from the center of this bolt to this bolt. You see, like this one. $100, it's okay. You see, we can increase the size of this bolt and the distance between these two bolts. For now it's okay. Just select, you can give a name and save, so you can select this one for the next. Just you can give a name for this one. Like this one, and just click here to save it. Now now we have saved this connection. Just now we can select this surface and this one, and select OK. Select this surface and this surface, select OK. Select this surface and this surface, select OK. Close. Let's hide this sketch. Now we are going to place the rib. Just select rib command here. Select this column and select this edge. So the rib will be collinear with this edge. If you look here, just we can change the position here. So now we have this rib collinear with this edge. And here we can change the direction, the number. Single rib here. If you want one. For now I am going to select two sides. Like this one. The thickness you can manage from here. 50 millimeter. It's okay. And select for the next edge here. Select this column. Select this edge. And change the position from here. You see? Now this rib is collinear with this edge, like this one. You see, this edge is collinear with this edge. And the same here, you can save this rib, so you can use for the next column. Select the beam. No, this one. Just select this column and this. No, rib. Select this column and select this edge. You see, now you have to change the direction, like this one. Next, select this column and select this edge, and the same here. We are going to change from here. And select execute. So now we have connected this beam with this column with the end plate, and we have connected the brace with the gusset, and we have placed the rib on the column. So now our steel structural design is finished. For the next exercise, I am going to show you how to create a stair with the help of SolidSteel, and how to create custom connection, and how to create angular connection with the help of SolidSteel Parametric for Inventor. And I hope you like this video, and for more video and more project in Inventor, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.